things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day. It is Wednesday, January 17, and guess what? I can't believe it, but they did it again. They gave us another big dark pool level. So it's real heavy at this 476. We had this almost 7 million, and then we got this 15.5 million, and then of course at 475 another. So that's why I went higher today on bullish above, like prove to me that you're strong. So I went up to 477. Yeah, it looks like they're selling, but we always have to be prepared. Bear below 472. All right, it is an outside day. That's the good news. Yay, yeah, much easier to trade on outside days. We went outside a little bit yesterday. We kind of got stuck on the 20 simple and the 15. And so we have, the 20 exponential, and then we have the 30 simple, 30 exponential. Here's the big drop. But so we might just bounce a little bit off those levels there. Let's check out the IWM. Guess what we got? I know, I can't believe it, but we actually got another heavy level on the Russell. 3.1 million at 193.26. And yeah, it's like they brought it up. They brought it up, 2 days ago, so they can sell, because now we're way down lower. Because remember, these late prints are from the day before. Yep. So we're bullish above 190.60 for the day trade. Scalpy, real quick. If you're going on a retrace trade, take profits quickly. Yep. Much better to go with the trend. Bear below 188. The only thing we have is the 65 EMA right here and the 50. So those are going to be targets, but here's, the big pocket right there. Not sure if that'll happen today or maybe later on this week. Let's check out the Qs. Nothing new that's big there, but bullish above 409.25. Bear below 406. They're definitely the stronger of the indexes, but still down, $2 this morning. Let's check out the E-minis because we are below 2 whales right now. We had that whale, and I rate them here, so you guys have that, 47.85 and then 48.10. So we just went below the 47.85. Yeah, so they sold, they took it higher, sold more, and now we're down. And that's generally the pattern. Bullish above 48.11, bear below 47.70. Let's check out the NASDAQ futures. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't get whales on this one. But bullish above 16,975, bear below 16,800. There's a little bit of a pocket right there on the downside. Let's check out oil. Oil's losing its ground. Yeah, down 2% this morning. 70 is a big level. I'm bearish below 70.60. And bullish above 71.50 for a scalping quick trade to the upside. Gold also is slightly negative today. Bullish above 20.32. Bear below 20.22, and we've got to check out the Bitcoin futures, which are down 1.5% this morning. Big volume bar here at 7:30. We're going to be bullish above 43,400 up here, and then bear below 42,550. And notice that big volume bar came when we tagged this Camarilla pivot. Yeah, it's so powerful. Algos are totally traded to trade off of them, which is why I use them as targets all along the Whisper. Anything CS is Camarilla support, CR is Camarilla resistant. Each one is going to be an algo loaded to buy or sell there when it comes to it. Tesla, what's going on? Tesla, I called out to your attention yesterday. On the weekly chart, right, we have this 161 exponential moving average, this silver line here. Yeah, we bounced. We have not gone below. If we do go below that, yeah, look out below. Bullish above 219.50 today. All right, we're going to be bullish for a little retrace and then bear below 215. But keep in mind that, 212, 50 area really. If we go below that, that's when things can get really ugly quickly. LI Auto. Oops. Bullish above 29.50, bear below 28.80. Looks like we're going to come down and possibly test that soon. Let's check out IONQ. Bullish above 11.20 for a quick move up, bear below 10.75. It's trying to hold on to this moving average right here, the 250 simple, that brown guy on the daily chart. Yep, that's an algo loaded to buy. We'll see if it can hold on or not, how much they want to buy. But let's check out BITO, right? The Bitcoin Strategy ETF, bear below $20.45. Normally I do 20.50, but we have a pivot there. It's had to go a little bit lower, but I'm looking for this beautiful trade down to the 50 simple moving average on the downside, or a retrace up to the 4 EMA on the upside, probably. Bullish above, well, actually I had to go higher. Normally I would do that. Normally I do this trade, but you know what? I had to go higher. Why did I have to do that? We had a lot of pivots. Yep. Let me show you. It just, so many charts look like this morning. So many pivots above us that it's going to make the up trade really difficult today. So the downside trade is much easier. Okay, keep that in mind. I mean, every chart looked like that today. RIV, and that's why my bullish above levels are really high. If I could get you in there scalping, I did, but, for the most part, it was rough. RIVN is another one. I had to go all the way bullish above 19 because, hold on, pull that up. We just had a lot of pivots here. I couldn't get you in on a level, and I had to go above the prints. It was like all the way up here. So many of these. Same pattern today. Bear below 17. Looks like an easier trade. And then we have SAVE, Spirit, right? We saw that big dark pool print while it was halted yesterday. I'm glad I took the picture and put in the alert tab for you guys. I also put it on my Twitter feed. I wanted everybody to see that. I mean, that is crazy, ridiculous manipulation. Like, we can't trade it, but, other people can while it's halted. All right, SAVE, bullish above 8, bear below 650 for SAVE, and we are testing that right now. I did see a buyer there. See, I wrote that right here, buyer on the INET, which is the NASDAQ book viewer. Yeah, so watch that. I want that buyer to disappear. Let's see. Well, he's not showing his face anymore. He was pretty big earlier. But that's why I kind of stopped here. Now he might be refreshing. So they don't show their order, but instead they keep refreshing the bid. So they keep buying more, and then they get executed, and they want to buy more. And that's how they buy a lot without moving the stock up. This morning they were showing their hand. All right, so watch that level carefully. KWEB getting crushed once again. We saw those sell prints. This is one of our Dark Pool Insights Plus recommendations, and it's getting close, I think, to taking some profits. So I'll probably recommend taking profits today. Bullish above 25.21 for the day trade, bear below 23.50. Let's go to DWAC. This was a really good one yesterday. Is it going to, yeah, it's inside, but is it going to push up or retrace all the way back down to the 8? So bullish above 21.55, bear below 19.45. And XLE, all right, energy ETF, bullish above 81.50, bear below 80. There you have it. Those are your Dark Pool Whispers for January 17th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.